Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Defy, and I'll show you how to change icon's shape on that device. So first we should launch the Play Store application, and here on the search bar enter the X icon changer. So we should get this application from the Play Store. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just tap here to open the app. After that, select one from these available applications. Which icon you wanna change? For example, I'll go with the phone one. Here you can select the new icon from these folders with different icons. Also, we can use a photo from our device gallery previously taken on our device camera or download it from the internet. Also, we can use camera app right now just to take a picture and to set it on our application icon here. I'll go with the libraries, for example with this one. Click on the OK on the right upper corner. Wait a second, we should skip the ads here. Okay, then just tap here on the X icon and click to add automatically this icon to the home screen. Then we can change the next icon by the same way, and that's it. So now just let's see here the difference between our new icon and the default one. So that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.